How can I remove faux brick from a kitchen wall? My kitchen has these fake bricks placed over the drywall on the walls around the cabinets. My question is there a way to remove just the bricks without completely tearing down the cabinets and drywall and starting from scratch? Question from user John Garvin at Stack Exchange. Answer: you cannot remove this fake brick without damaging the drywall under. You will have to replace the drywall, best solution, or do one hell of a good skim mud coat over the damaged drywall. You can use a Rockwell Sonic Crafter or similar tool to cut the drywall cleanly at the edge of the cabinets. Replace the drywall, mud it in, and paint. There is no easy way in this case. Answer from user Sherlock Holmes at Stack Exchange.